In this video, I'll show you how you can add a dollar sign as a currency in Excel. Now, first step is, as you can see here, I have a lot of numbers. What I want to do is I want to select all the numbers that I want to have it. Let's just make 2 rows. Let's say I want to choose these. So I'm going to select them. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to select currency. Now, as you can see, it changed it to not the dollar, and we don't want that. We don't want the pounds. So what we will do is we're going to right click on it. From in here, we're going to go to format cells. And as you can see in here, I can choose the symbol. So what I want to do is I'm going to find the dollar there. Okay. And as you can see, it will now be in dollar signs. You can also do like this, format cells, and you can choose another one if you want in currency. Let's say you want to do it in the Japanese yen. You can do that as well, just like that. So that's basically how you can do that in Excel, and it's super simple and super easy. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.